The Vietnamese jungle was a relentless adversary, humid, disease-ridden, and teeming with hidden dangers. For the Viet Cong, it was both a sanctuary and a challenge. With supply lines cut by US forces, they faced starvation. Yet this harsh environment became the stage for one of history's most unconventional survival strategies, where food turned into a weapon of psychological warfare. With US airstrikes destroying supply routes, the Viet Cong's food stocks vanished. Rice paddies were bombed, and traditional farming became impossible. Forced to adapt, they turned to the jungle itself, transforming creatures once considered inedible into vital sustenance. This shift marked the beginning of a survival tactic that would haunt American troops. Rats, abundant in the jungle, became a staple. Skewered on bamboo sticks and roasted over hidden fires, they provided crucial protein. The Viet Cong seasoned them with wild herbs, turning desperation into a sustainable meal. To US soldiers who discovered these remains, the sight was grotesque, proof of an enemy willing to endure anything. Tarantulas, boiled into soup, became another grim delicacy. These large, hairy spiders, non-venomous but horrifying to outsiders, were rich in protein. The Viet Cong's deliberate display of these meals near abandoned campsites wasn't just about nutrition. It was a calculated move to unnerve the enemy, amplifying their fear of the inhuman guerrillas. When US patrols stumbled upon Viet Cong camps, they found remnants of these meals, charred rat bones, spider legs in broth. The sight triggered visceral disgust. Rumors spread, they eat like animals. This wasn't just about food, it was a psychological blow, making the enemy seem alien and unstoppable. The Viet Cong weaponized their diet. They left meal remnants near US outposts, knowing the horror it would spread. Stories of jungle savages demoralized troops, eroding their combat readiness. Food became a tool of terror, proof that the Viet Cong could thrive where others starved, bending the jungle to their will. US soldiers, already strained by guerrilla attacks, now faced a new dread, an enemy that defied human norms. Letters home described monsters in the jungle. Commanders noted dwindling morale. The Viet Cong's survival tactics weren't just feeding their fighters, they were starving the American spirit. The Viet Cong's resilience exposed a flaw in US strategy. Technology couldn't conquer adaptability. While America relied on rations airdrops, the guerrillas lived off the land. Their savage diet wasn't a weakness. It was a testament to their ability to turn the jungle itself into an ally against a superpower. Historians later recognized the Viet Cong's food tactics as a masterclass in asymmetric warfare. By embracing what others feared, they turned scarcity into strength. Their meals weren't just sustenance, they were symbols of an unbreakable will, proving that in war, the mind is the ultimate battlefield. Today, the Vietnamese jungle stands silent, its secrets buried under layers of time. But the legacy of the Viet Cong's survival endures, a reminder that in war, innovation often wears the face of desperation. Their story whispers a timeless truth. To conquer an enemy, you must first outlast them.